Hello friends, I am Atul Gadam. This video is for 10th standard, name of content, trigonometric ratios. Let at first revise all the formulae. In this triangle, this angle is a suppose a right angle and this angle is a theta. This one is a side opposite to theta. This one is a adjacent side of a theta and 90 opposite side is a hypotenuse that we know. Sin theta is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. Cot theta equals to adjacent side upon opposite side. Sec theta equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent side, and cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon opposite side. In these two values, the value of sin theta and cos theta is in a proper fraction, means numerator is a smaller than denominator, and here opposite of this sin and cos, numerator is greater than denominator. Also we know that sin theta and cosec thetas are inverses of each other, means 1 upon sin theta is the cosec theta, 1 upon cosec theta is the sin theta, and the product of inverse operations is equals to 0. Sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. 1 by cos theta is a sec theta, 1 by sec theta equals to cos theta, then cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. 1 by tan theta is a cot theta, and 1 by cot theta equals to tan theta, and these are inverses. Then value of inverse ratio is the product of value of inverse ratio is 1. Then tan theta into cot theta, that is equals to 1. Let's take next example. Let's at first read the question carefully. If tan theta equals to 11, means here theta is acute angle. Page number 10.23, exercise number 10.1, question number 1, sub question number 3. If tan theta equals to 11, means theta is an acute angle. The tan theta equals to 11. 11 means 11 upon 1. Find the value of the other trigonometric ratios. Suppose this in this right angle triangle, this one is a 90 degree. And name of this triangle is suppose triangle P Q R. Let angle R is a theta. Then PQ is opposite side of theta, QR is a adjacent side of theta, and side opposite to this 90 degree is a PR, which is a hypotenuse. Here what we know, tan theta equals to 11. Eleven means 11 by 1. Why? Because this one is a given. But according to the figure, observe the figure, tan theta is equals to, tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side, PQ upon QR by the figure. Here tan theta is equals to 11 by 1. Tan theta equals to PQ by QR. The left side of 1 and 2 is equal, so the right side is also equal. From 1 and 2, PQ by QR is equals to 11 upon 1. Means the ratio of PQ is to QR is 11 is to 1. Let common multiple of this ratio is K. So the PQ is equals to 11 into K, that is 11K. And QR equals to 1 into K, that is 1K. Put this value in the figure. PQ is 11K and QR is 1K. In the triangle PQR, angle Q is a 90 degree. We know the length of two sides. We can easily find the hypotenuse by the Pythagoras theorem. PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. Put out the values. PR square as it is, that we want to find. PQ square is 11K whole square plus QR square. QR is 1K whole square PR square is equals to 11 square 121, k square for k square plus 1k square, that is 1k square. The addition of 11k square plus 1k square, that is 122k square. PR square, that is equals to under root 122 into k whole square, taking square root. So PR is equals to k square, square root is a k, under root 122. Put this value in the figure, means PR is equals to k into under root 122. Other than tan theta, find the values of remaining ratios. Sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side of theta. Which one is opposite side of theta? PQ. Upon hypotenuse, hypotenuse is a PR. What is PQ? PQ is a 11k. Upon PR is a k into under root 122. What is cancel here, my friends? KK get cancelled. Then that is equals to 11 upon under root 122. This one is a value of sin theta. Then find cos theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta is a QR upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the PR. That is equals to QR is a 1k upon PR is a k into under root 122. Here also k get cancelled. So the value of cos theta equals to 1 upon under root 122. Then find the remaining trigonometric ratio tan theta. How to find tan theta? Tan theta is a multiplicative inverse. Sorry, tan theta we know here. Then cot theta. Tan theta is a 11 by 1. Their inverse is a 1 by 11. So the cot theta is a 1 by 11. We know that sec theta's value is inverse of cos theta's value. What is the cos theta's value? 1 upon under root 122. So the sec theta equals to inverse of that one, means under root 122 upon 1. Then cosec theta. Cosec theta is inverse of sin theta. Sin theta is 11 upon 1 under root 122. The inverse of 11 upon root 122 is a 1 root 122 upon 11. This way we can easily solve this problem. Okay, thank you friends.